Hello guys, today we are checking ESR protective case for S22 Ultra. I purchased this from Amazon for 1300 rupees. Let's see what's inside the box. Here we got card showing other products for S22 Ultra. I have already made video on ESR camera lens protective for S22 Ultra. Please check the description. Here we got user manual showing how to use the kickstand at 3 different levels. And here is the case. Case looks very good quality, lightweight. And we got different cuts for the camera here, and we got a kickstand which is easily lockable. You can see it's easy lockable here like this. Overall mobile quality is very good. You can see different holes here. This hole we can use to place a sting. And let me put the mobile in the case. Here it fits very perfectly. You can see camera cut here. Let's see the demo of kickstand. We can adjust the kickstand at different levels. You can see the quality is very good, that it is able to handle the weight of the mobile. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let us meet again in the next video. Until then, bye bye.